Network's Façade blends craftsmanship and sustainable innovation. We have reduced our carbon footprint by using cement replacement. Manufacture off-site allows for quality control, minimal waste and speed of assembly. Selected aggregates and a variety of finishes give it expression and richness. High-performance glass and the depth of the façade provide shading, reducing cooling needs. The façade is carbon considerate in use, both passively through its materiality and form and actively through its operation. The result is considered sustainable and delightful architecture.